Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey through the world of open source software and hardware. Today, we'll explore one of the remarkable benefits of open source: longevity. Join us as we discover how open source software and hardware can provide long-lasting solutions that stand the test of time. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of longevity. When it comes to longevity, open source software and hardware has a distinct advantage. Unlike closed source alternatives that may be discontinued or become obsolete over time, open source projects have the potential to thrive and evolve for years, even decades. The open and collaborative nature of open source fosters a community that is dedicated to the long-term success and sustainability of the software. Open source projects often have a dedicated and passionate community of developers who contribute their time and expertise to maintain and enhance the software. This active community ensures that the software remains relevant, updated, and supported even as technology advances. It's like having a team of guardians who are committed to the longevity of the software. The transparency of open source software and hardware plays a significant role in its longevity. The availability of the source code allows anyone to review, analyze, and contribute to the software's development. This transparency means that issues and vulnerabilities can be quickly identified and addressed. It also allows for continuous improvements and adaptations to changing needs and technologies, ensuring that the software remains viable and reliable over time. Another factor that contributes to the longevity of open source software and hardware is its compatibility and interoperability. Open source projects often adhere to widely accepted standards, making it easier to integrate with other software and systems. This compatibility ensures that open source solutions can seamlessly adapt to new environments and technologies, providing longevity in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Open source software and hardware also benefits from the principle of open data formats and protocols. By using open standards, the software can ensure that data remains accessible and usable in the long run. This prevents lock-in and allows for easy migration to alternative solutions if the need arises. The focus on open standards further enhances the longevity and sustainability of open source software and hardware. The community-driven nature of open source projects fosters a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. When a project is driven by a diverse group of individuals with a shared passion, it becomes less reliant on the lifespan of a single company or organization. This decentralized approach ensures that the software can continue to thrive even if individual contributors move on or circumstances change. Open source software and hardware often has a strong support ecosystem. Communities, forums, and dedicated websites provide users with resources, documentation, and assistance. This support network ensures that users can access help and guidance even if the original developers or maintainers are no longer actively involved. It's a testament to the resilience and longevity of open source projects. Furthermore, the open source philosophy encourages the sharing of knowledge, expertise, and best practices. This collective wisdom contributes to the long-term sustainability of open source software and hardware. The community's willingness to document and share their experiences ensures that future users and contributors can build upon the knowledge and successes of the past. It's a virtuous cycle that fuels the longevity of open source projects. In summary, the longevity of open source software and hardware stems from the dedicated community, transparency, compatibility, adherence to open standards, collaboration, strong support ecosystem, and the culture of knowledge sharing. These factors combine to create software that can adapt, evolve, and endure in the face of technological advancements and changing needs. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the longevity benefit of open source software and hardware. We hope you found this information enlightening and that it has deepened your appreciation for the enduring nature of open source. Stay tuned for more videos where we continue to uncover the benefits of open source. Until then, take care and embrace the longevity of open source.